everyone, I'm out here at Liberty Station, San Diego, California, and right here we have 24 superchargers right over there. There were 12 and then they added another 12 V4, but over here is what I'm talking about today, which is these 20 destination level 2 chargers. Now, the app lists them under the Charge My Other EV section as up to 14 kilowatts, so these are pretty powerful level 2 stations. It's maxing out my Model Y at 48 amps, but that's only like 10 kilowatts. So if you have an EV that can go up to 14 kilowatt, you can do it here. Now the pricing here is 39 cents for Teslas. In fact, for a Tesla, you plug it right in and starts charging right away. But if you have a non-Tesla EV, you got to use the Charge My Other EV in the app, and then it's 51 cents. Unless I think you have the membership. So this station is using the new universal Tesla wall connector, which has the adapter built in right there. If you're a Tesla, you just pull on it and it comes right out. But to get the J17 adapter, you press that other button and it locks to the handle right there. This site has had some of the adapters stolen somehow. I'm not exactly sure how they do it. While it's cool to see this much level 2 charging in one place, it's not the first time I've seen this. Over in Barstow, they have a whole bunch of Tesla destination chargers. However, they're not the universal ones. I always love to see more level 2 charging because we don't always need a fast charge, especially if you're going to stay in a hotel like this one here. So check it out here at Liberty Station. There's 20 of these. It's right by the Liberty Station sign next to the other superchargers right there here in the corner of the Vaughn's parking lot.